Hello everyone, today let's cook curry shrimp with coconut milk. It's very creamy and super delicious.
Right now, you said yourself you'd be breaking every vow.
300 grams of shrimp. Pull off the head. Pull off the shell.
Just remember this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize.
Pull the wing out.
Stardust, ignore this fact if you must. To do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there.
Half onion.
Stardust.
2 tablespoons of oil. Let's fry the shrimp head first. After the color of the shrimp head becomes golden, we take them out. In this way, the shrimp taste will be stronger. Now we fry the onion. If the pan is too dry, add 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon of yellow curry paste. Stir fry until you can feel the good smell of the curry. Put the shrimps.
Just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without
200 ml of coconut milk. Simmer it in low heat for 2 minutes.
Ignore this fact if you must. To do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for
1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. A little chili pepper in the end. Now our dish is ready. To make the dish more delicious, don't forget to add some cashew nuts. A little more coconut milk. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.
I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying